You okay?
hurted. Yeah.
Now, was that as bad as you expected? Worse
It
or
just felt really weird.
different?
Yeah, because he took out
It felt
all
like
the
a
liquid.
snake
Yeah, yeah,
going through my body.
yeah. No, that's basically what it was.
Oh, that's very uncomfortable.
So now I'm going to put the new tube in.
Is it bleeding?
I'll check it in a second. Yeah, it usually bleeds a little bit. Okay, so this is the new tube. And we're going to put it in.
Ow. Ow.
There.
Ow.
That's it. That should be the worst of it.
Ow.
See, there's the tube in. Now we're going to fill the balloon with some sterile water. It doesn't need to be sterile as long as it's clean. And it's best to do it with a with distilled water. So there we go.
How much was in
I'm
the tube that
filling
you
the
took out?
balloon. That was a different one.
Oh.
That one had 6. This one
Oh.
takes 5.
Okay.
Okay, and that's it. All done. And then we slide this down to the skin.
Ow. Ow.
Okay, there we go. That's all.
Ow.
We're all done. You did great.
And then you're going to show her how to tape it so she doesn't pull it.
Hmm? Yeah.
Oof.
Okay.
Ow, that hurt.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is where now both of these go to the same place. One is for little syringes, one is for big syringes.
What's the
And-
orange for the balloon?
And that's for the balloon. Yeah, and I put 5 cc's in.
I feel funny.
And the,
Nice.
I'm going
easy
to flush
flush.
this in. There we go.
Oh.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
And now do you want me to burn the that proud tissue off like we did the last time?
No.
No?
No, I don't think she's feeling real good.
Okay. Why don't you pass me the other gauze? You okay? Why don't you turn the recording on?